Welcome back. I'm on another walk. I'm at Swoops Valley Trailhead down past Pine Grove at Swatara State Park. Yeah, I came back. Last time I was here, I came in way over there. I walked around and then back. Yeah, well this time, yeah, I'm going a different path. Yeah. It's gonna be awesome. Hey, last time I think the leaves weren't fully out, and well, if you look, there's a lot of pretty flowers and whatnot, and yeah. I mean, this is a very beautiful place, very lovely place. Yeah. Yeah. It's about a half hour away from my house. Yeah. We'll go back to Bordner's cabin. Before we get there, there's a what's it called? It's a fossil. Yeah, the place where you can look at fossils and stuff. That might be pretty neat. So, yeah. Here we go. So, I was thinking about something. You know, a couple weeks ago I drove a couple hours down to Valley Forge. And before that I drove a couple hours north to Ricketts Glen. You don't have to drive far to find awesome nature stuff. You know, a lot of people, it's in their backyard and they don't realize how awesome it is. And that's sad. Yeah. Yeah. So far I saw 4 people, 2 in pajama bottoms. That was it's always funny when you see people wearing pajamas out. Yeah. Yeah, it was nothing. Anyway. Well, 5 people actually. Yeah, one was a what do they call it? Park ranger or something. Somebody who works for the state. Saying that we can drive this here road right here. See this road? Yeah, we can actually drive down it. You can only go one way though. Gotta go from back where I started that away. So yeah, thought about it, but yeah, I want to get my steps in, so I figured I'd walk. Yeah. Ooh, you can see the river here, or the creek or whatever. It's up a little bit. Zooming in. Zoom in. Zoom in. Yeah, see. I just wonder if we'll see any deer. That'd be pretty cool. You know, wildlife would always be a bonus. Definitely. Oh, here's a little trail. Yeah, look at that. We'll get a better look at the yeah. Doesn't look like it's up a lot. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. If the rain holds off, it'll be a good day. Let's hope. I found the fossil site. You come over here, and yeah, I heard water. I had to go and look at it. Yeah, but yeah, you dig in this very large pile of dirt, and you look for fossils. Yeah, I don't know if you. I'm not gonna actually dig. I don't have a shovel or anything. Ugh. Let's look at this one. Yeah. Yeah. Probably fossil. I wonder what this is. Just a big rock. I think that might be a big rock. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not going to do gradations on that one. Yeah, I'm not at work. Don't talk about work. This might be a once a month thing for me. Like, I was, I wonder if I can show you. This might be a good spot. Oh, here, right here. Okay, zoom in. See if I can zoom in. It's like a little swampy area back there. But, you know, I mean, it's pretty nice over there. And there's a lot of places around here, like off the trail or the road. Yeah, a lot of nice places here. A lot of cool stuff. Yeah, here's a path. Well, it's water. There's nothing but water. Yeah. Gotta find a nice path to get back there, but I found one. But I don't feel like turning around right now. Yeah. Saw more people. Yeah. They're on bikes. Yeah. I might have to go out and purchase a bicycle. I have a street bike, but you know, I believe a mountain bike would do better. Yeah. And the only way to get over there is to go through all this water, like right over there. And there's some water over here. So everywhere there's water. Yeah. And I forgot my waders at home. And by home I mean the store, because I never bought a pair. Oh yeah. Anyway. Yeah, way up there is a highway. Yeah. Let's see, can you see a car coming? There, see? Yeah. Yeah. Lots of vehicles going up there. Whew. I'm a bit tuckered out. Yeah, I'm back in Bordner's cabin. Yeah. I pet a puppy dog. I should have asked for get a video of that. That would have been cute. Yeah. So this particular journey is almost at an end. So close. And if you notice, I took off all air. It's getting warm. Anyway, yeah, I hope you all have a wonderful, 1 second. I hope everybody has an amazingly wonderful day. Yeah, like, subscribe, hit the noti bell. Yeah, share everything. Yeah, share. Sharing is caring, from what I hear. Yeah. Anyway, see you around.